Hi everyone, my name is Monisha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going for a ride. It's called Rotary Tiranga Ride. It is for promoting road safety. It's currently 5 a.m. now, and we are heading towards Nexus Vega City Mall, which is the start point. From there, we will be having a ride for about 10 kilometers and then some event. So I'll take you all along. Let's go. Disclaimer, I'm a pillion rider. My husband will be riding and I'll be sitting behind him. I have not started riding a gear vehicle. I just ride a non-gear vehicle. So once I own one, I'll start riding. Done with the events, we're going back. Before that, one selfie.